Oh, part 2. The cabbage is right here.
If you didn't see part 1, here's my bowl.
There.
With the squash. Like
and then I have squash and
like lemon, but it's actually squash.
Snow peas that I all cooked together and sauteed. I seasoned it with black pepper, kosher salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Just the basic, real quick and easy.
Just whatever you like.
Just whatever you like.
Look.
And that is lunch. Let's see here. Where did I put those plates? Here we go again.
Now thank you.
Now she put okay.
Leaf.
Then
Leaf.
a leaf.
Leaf. Leaf. Leaf.
She put cabbage leaves on. Don't you want some cabbage?
I already had some.
You already ate some? Alrighty. So here we go. Here is the mac and cheese.
Down the hatch.
Mm-hmm. That's so good.
I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Pokemon on my staff.
6 Pokemon on your staff.
Uh-huh.
Sweet. And then
The first one I had was my Eevee. And then I got Rowlet, and then I believe I got Flip-Flop, and then Miko, and then Scoble, and I don't know how to pronounce that Pokemon's name. I just have Pokemon. I'm probably putting, I don't know how much I have.
okay.
But there's so many to get. And if you impress Mewtwo a lot, Mewtwo joins your staff.
Nice. That's so cool. And then here is the snow pea and the yellow squash.
Don't forget the my squash fell off. I'm giving that a squash.
Okay. I just love squash. They're so good. It was a zucchini, yellow squash, the pans, and oh, it's all so good. And then here is the cabbage.
Okay, I got me a new squash.
Mm. It is all so good. Serve on a cool day or a cold day. You know, if it's cold inside, it's good when it's warm. And it's cloudy and it's supposed to rain again today, so hopefully get some more rain. Because that little tomato plant is finally growing. Now it's like this. So, we are going to go have lunch. Is there anything else you would like to tell them today?
If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notification, and see you next time on Our Treasured Home. I know it looks like a lemon, but that's just squish.
Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and we'll see you next time.
Just whatever you like.